Hi, we're the Bryans, and this is Full Disclosure.
I'm Brian Fay, this is Brian Taylor, and we're here to talk about what is required to get a mortgage.
That's right.
That's a good question, right?
Yeah, very good question. So a lot of people ask us, what do we need to do to get approved for a mortgage? Well, there's some basic things that have to get looked at in order to tell a client if they can get pre-qualified.
Right.
So
First one being you need to have a job. So what we'll need to see on that is W-2s to show your income, and also they'll want to see paychecks to see what your income is in the last couple of weeks. Make sure nothing's changed on that.
that's right. Self-employed, we're going to be looking at 2 years worth of tax returns.
Right. And they will take the average of those 2 years tax returns. So
Another piece of it is very important is your credit. So we're going to have to get a credit report pulled, and you're going to have qualifying credit scores in order to qualify for a mortgage.
yeah. Ideally, I mean, anything over 740 is perfect credit. We can go as low as 600, sometimes down to 580. So credit is a big factor in it.
That's right.
A third thing, which is also very important, they want to make sure you have enough money to close.
Money's important.
You need money, right? So if you're putting down 5%, 10%, 3%, they're going to want to verify you have enough money to close, and also including your closing costs. So we'll need
bank statements,
yep.
Retirement account statements. Depending what's on those, we might need some further documentation. But those are the big things that are going to go into
Top three
pre-qualifying.
things,
yeah. And then with all of that information, what we're going to do is take that and put together what's called ratios, debt to income ratio, and we're going to look to see if you qualify based on the ratios as well.
So the lender want to make sure you can afford the house, which makes sense.
Right.
So you need to make a certain amount of money to qualify for the house.
And we're going to talk to you also about what that ratio means so that we know that you're comfortable with the payment. We don't want to see you in a payment that you're going to struggle with or be uncomfortable with.
Yeah, got to be comfortable with the mortgage payment. We've been paying for a little while. So those are the basic requirements to get a mortgage.
That's it.
All right.